Hello everyone, this is Ratika Roy Bhattacharya. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Study Together with Ratika. First of all, I would like to thank all my viewers who gave so much of love to the last video in which I did the review and unboxing of Class Monitor Kit. If you have not watched that video, I'll give the link in the description box. After getting so much of love, today I am again here for doing review and unboxing of this Domino's blocks, which are actually meant for kids. In this video, I'm going to talk about its appearance, its overall appearance, how you can make it more attractive, how you can use it as an educational tool for making your kids learn something new, what skills your child is going to learn while playing with these dominoes. And at the end of this video, I'll also be talking about the best parts of these dominoes and my suggestions too. So let's start without any further. So first of all, I'm going to open this. These blocks are made up of wood, and what type of material it is that we will come to know after opening it. And I have not bought them from the Amazon or any other online store. I have got them from the local shop, right? So you can expect genuine review for this item. Now as you can see, the blocks or the dominoes are of beautiful color. These are made up of wood, so unbreakable it is, and it is very soft to touch, right? And one thing I would like to say that the color used is, I don't think, very much of good quality. So keep your child under your supervision that he doesn't put them inside the mouth. If we talk about the length, then it is, I think, 1.5 or 2 inches in length, right? So it is not that big, or you cannot say that these are very much tiny. Then if we talk about the color, then beautiful attractive colors these are of, and your child is definitely going to get attracted towards the color of these dominoes. Now if we talk about the skills your child will be learning while playing with these dominoes. So as you can see, these are not very much in thickness. So at first your child will be having difficulty in arranging them or in balancing them. So he will learn the balancing skill first of all. Then second thing, always ask your child to put all of these dominoes in a particular stack so that they will be able to make the stacks, and also it will introduce the skill of arranging the things in a proper place. Then the next skill, if your child doesn't sit at a place for long, then definitely these dominoes are going to increase their tolerance of sitting at one place, because the child will be making different types of patterns using these dominoes according to their age. As for example, my child is of only 3 years of age, so he is not able to make different types of patterns. But as you can see on the thumbnail, that my child has used so much of area on the floor so that he can spread all the dominoes and can make some pattern. So this totally depends on the age of your child, what age he belongs to or she belongs to. Now how you can make these dominoes as creative as possible so that your child is able to learn something new from these. As you can see, different colors are used, and you must be having a marker. You can write A to Z, 1, 2, 3, 4 and anything like that on them using the marker. And whenever your child plays with these dominoes, you can say, so that your child will also be able to say with you. And second thing, what you can do is, you can do matching activity using these dominoes. For example, you have written 5 number on this dominoes. Now put 5 dominoes here on this side, right? And put 2 dominoes here and write 2 on this domino, so that your child will be able to match them. What else you can do is, take a big chart paper, paste some objects, for example A for apple, and if your child knows what is A meant for, what is B meant for, so what you can do, then you can give A letter or B letter, any letter you can give, and ask your child to put that particular letter on the object which you have already pasted. In this way your child will be able to learn the recognition of the objects, right? And if you think that more things you can do, please write in the comment section. I would love to read them, and also this will give me an idea to engage my child as well, so that he can learn something new. Now if I talk about the best parts of these dominoes, then you can see beautiful colors it has got. So attractive it is, your child will definitely be inclined to play with them. Then the size is neither huge nor it is very tiny. But yes, if your child is 1.5 or 2 years of age, then avoid giving these dominoes, because you know at this age the children love to take all the things which they get in their mouth. So it may be choking, I think. So please do not give the dominoes to them. And if your child is more than 3 years of age, then definitely go for it. 3 to 8 or 9 years of age, definitely they are going to make different types of patterns. Now next thing, these are made up of wood. That's why these are unbreakable, because whatever you give to your kids, at the first time they try to break open the toys, so they will not be able to break them, but yes, they may throw here and there. So what you can do, give half of the dominoes to your kids all at once. Then the last part about my suggestions is, these colors are of not good quality, these are not edible colors, so please make sure that your child doesn't put them in their mouth. Second thing, it may be choking, so do not give the dominoes to kids under 2 years of age. If you find that this video is going to help you in any way, then please go and buy these dominoes for your kids, so that they will be learning something new and will be engaged for I think 1 or 2 hours, and you will also be relaxed at the same time. If your child is of 2 or 3 years, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, because sometimes I bring videos for the kids. And if your child is in standard 7 to 10, then also make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I make science content and upload them on my channel regularly. Keep watching, stay safe, and thanks for watching.